The content shown in this video should be considered for entertainment purposes only. The actions and information that follow are fictional and/or reenactments. Do not try this at home.
What's good with YouTube, man? You back with the boy Polo Red, man, and you back rocking with the Empire, man. So today, I'm dropping a video on how you can get the CPN Bible for free. You know what I'm saying? So all you gotta do to get the Bible for free is subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Once you do all those three things, send us a screenshot of where you shared the video to the Telegram. I'm gonna send you the Bible instantly, right there. Today, I'm giving it away. I'm setting up CPN Bible for free. I'm giving you the Bible for free today. All you gotta do, like, subscribe to the channel, share the video. Send us a screenshot where you shared the video, got it for free. And if you don't really rock with us like that, I totally understand. We ain't doing no tripping. I'm also gonna show you where you can get the Bible at 7 days a week, 24 hours a day on the website. Now that being said, let's jump into this video. All right, man. Y'all back with the Empire, man. As you see, it's 315 pages. It's page 1 of the Bible, aka the Source Book, aka $1 Million Blueprint. aka it's a lot of names out there people selling it for, but this is what they giving you. You know, $20,000 mentorship to go page by page with you with this book. You know, like I said, I've been having it for a minute. Back when I got it, they charged me a band about 5 years ago. I done made my money back 10 times plus with this book. But like I say, we're giving it to our subscribers and people who rock with us. We're giving it away for free today and every day. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, screenshot the video that you shared it, and you get the book free. But let's go. Like I say, it's 315 pages. Let's get in a couple of pages so I can show y'all some insight of the book. As you see, this page 1, it's just telling you, you know, the numbers of all the state locations. Right here. You know, and go a little further, deeper in detail right here. As you can see, I ain't gonna say everything, but you guys can read. Once you get the Bible, it'll have all this information in it. This is the Bible right here. Tells you, you know, try merging your number information the way they did it. Some of the stuff to me might be a little outdated, like my Jewelers Club, Crown Jewelers. I wouldn't use them. That's my personal opinion. I wouldn't do it. But like I say, to each his own. Whatever you choose to do with this information that you read in this book is yours. To do as you please. You know, get to the bag. You know, it keeps going on and on. Some good information. And matter of fact, let me start right now, right at the beginning. If you already got this book, you know, drop a comment, you know, tell me you got the book, tell me how much you paid for the book, you know, because it's some people out there who I've been getting mentorship with that they got this same book I've been having for over, they want an arm and a leg for it. And right, we still here in the beginning. For all the people who don't want to subscribe, like and share the video, I'm gonna tell you what y'all can do to get the video. You can get the book. Come right over here to the website, Pro at This Empire. Come right there. You hit the 3 little lines, go to the South Shop. You go over here. Oh, they got the Bible right here for $50 every day. You know, I'm giving it away to you for free. But you can come get it right here every day for $50 if you don't want to like, subscribe, and share, you know. And I might get it. You don't want people to know your business, you know, so you don't want to put your business out there like that. You don't want people knowing you dealing with CPNs and you got the sauce. You want to keep that wrapped up tight. I dig it. So, you know, you can come here and get the Bible anytime. I don't want you to feel left out because you couldn't share or subscribe because you don't want people in your business to know how you was rocking. You can come here and buy it. Also, too, for my people who hitting us up, when you come here to hit us up, if you come all the way down here, where is it at? Keep on coming right here, and you fill out all this information, and then you hit I'm ready to sign up. I want to know more. We gonna call you for credit repair to get your LLC started, stuff like that. So if you're not interested in getting credit repair, getting the LLC, I wouldn't advise you to come here and fill out the information, because somebody in the company gonna call you. Is it me? You know, one of another representative, somebody gonna call you and try to sign you up for credit repair, help you get an LLC, mentorship, all that good stuff. Now, if you just want to hit us directly, you can hit me on the telly. You know, so I'm gonna leave the information in the description, or you can come right here to contact, put your name and number, leave me a detailed message. Hey, Red, this is what I need, blah, blah, blah. Please call me at this number right here, send, and I'm gonna call you personally, and then we can chop it up. So if you need to talk to me personally, you come here, fill out this information, name, email, leave me a detailed message, phone number, ways to contact you back. You'll get a call, email, however you want to chit chat, and I'm gonna hit you directly, you know. So check that out. Or you can go to the Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all follow too on the Instagram, leave a message, boom, I'm gonna get back with you directly, you know, right on Instagram. So however you want to communicate, those ways you can communicate. Right here, you can hit me on the telly, Polo Red at the Empire, you know, leave a message. All the information right here, y'all see it, write it down, hit me back up. But let's get back to this Bible. So now we're back at the Bible, you know, page 7, as you see. Let's go into more details of what you need to do, you know, what you need to put on applications, housing, you know, step by step, you know, places to go, fill out applications, the whole 9 yards. Information, what you need to do, how you need to do it, when you need to do it. You know, this book got, like I say, even if you want to start your own credit repair company or just fix your credit yourself, you don't even want to go to Private Empire to get no credit. This book also has all the credit information. It got the letters that you send the credit bureau, details of how to fill it out, what to put to fix your credit, to get negative items removed, all that good stuff. So if you follow this to the T, it's $1 million blueprint. You'll be on YouTube doing videos about this information, about how you got this and that, because this book right here, oh man, it's so much gems in it. It's gonna, like I say, it's gonna make a lot of people mad that I'm giving it away so cheap and I'm giving it away free, because they out here making a killing off the book, you know. And a lot of mentors I got, they're gonna be mad. Hey bro, you can't do that. You messing up the game. You're giving the game away free, telling cheap. Gotta make people pay for that. Now, if you lucky enough to be rocking with us on this channel and you subscribe, it's gonna be a lot of free information I'm giving away, you know, that I didn't pay for. You know, I didn't pay for 5 mentorships, so it's a lot of people that ran the bag up on me. So, you know, I got my money back, so I can't complain, but it's time for me to do something different. I could charge high mentorship and stuff like that, but anyway, I'm just rambling, man. Excuse me. Let's get back to this book. Dunn's number, Swift code. It's just so much information. Like I say, let's get to the private lenders list. Let's go down a little bit further. So as you see, man, we on page 32, and it's just full of information. This is not something you're gonna be able to get all in a day, but if you take the time to soak this information up, you will be ahead of the game tremendously, you know. Right here, look. Tell you the credit companies, where they pulling from. You know, all this insider information right here. That's what they call it, insider information. The bank credit cards, you know, it tells you they are these all pulling from TransUnion. And this is, like I say, it's enough right here to bust your head. So if you really just rocking all the secret lenders list, you know, it can come. Retail cards with the links. You can hit the links, you know, just give you some example, like you hit the link. Taking to you where you need to go to fill it out. Right there. You back in the game. You ain't missed the beat. You know, so it's ready to get you to that level. Like I said, a lot of people gonna be mad I'm showing this or giving this book out, but it's my book. I paid for it. I can do what I please with it. And as you see, it just keep on going. We at 60, 69. Let's see how long this list go. We going. We still rocking. We going. We still rocking. we almost at 150 credit cards. Past that now. Let's see what this thing gonna go to. 178 cards. It's cards people didn't even know about. The Walmart Discover card. Wow, man. Keep going. Just a different list. It's for you ones who got the students and you know, and your CPs. Different, man. Gas cards for your business. Like I say, people coming out talking about this like this information new. You know, you need to go get this, you need to go get this. Like they giving you some new information. This information been out. Like I say, I've been having this book over 5 years. So it looked like it probably been out before that. But I've been having it over 5 years. So my bad, I don't mean to take a drink in y'all video. Let's keep on American Express. Said it, man. This stuff been out, y'all. I'm watching YouTube and I'm seeing people dropping videos about this stuff. Like this stuff just, I just found out about it today. I said, okay, that's what we doing now. So, you know, me and my team, we got us a YouTube too. Now we about to drop videos. Like, yeah, we just found out it yesterday. But I'm letting y'all know the truth about it. It's been out. You know what I'm saying? You can, when you're going through this, like I say, we just at page 80. Like I say, I could make this video 2-3 hours if I just go all the details about this book. But I'm giving it to y'all for free. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, and share it. And everybody have it.
Yeah, what it do? Yeah, you know what it is? Yeah, MJ. Disaster. Woo. I'm so thorough when I step up in it. Damn food collection clothes smelling just like spinach. I guess